Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 13th to the 27th. The flow remains blocked with the above normal heights here. You can see across much of Canada with a center here over eastern Canada and western Canada. And we have an upper low that will be moving into the northwest. And we have one over the Great Lakes. And I'll show you this better on one of the maps now. I got to try to see if I can find it. Okay, right here. Okay, here's our upper low moving into the northwest. Here's our other upper low over the Great Lakes, northeast area. And the upper low here in the northwest, along with cold Canadian high pressure moving into the nation, will cause an upslope flow and resulting in heavy snow across Central Rockies and into the plains Tuesday into Thursday. So we see here, this is on Tuesday. Later Tuesday, you see the snow here developing. And then we go into Wednesday, Thursday, and even part into Friday. Now, other areas in the plains, you see will receive heavy rainfall across the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley. And we will have a stall frontal boundary across the south, and that will bring possibility of heavy rainfall. The models aren't showing a lot of rain, but any rain that do get here will cause possible flooding problems because this is an area that received a lot of rain in the past few days. You can see it right here. This is GFS, and then we'll look at the European at the same time. The European doesn't have as much precipitation as the GFS. Okay, we're looking at the period for April 18th to the 22nd. And we have a ridge that's over the Aleutians. You go back here. Over the Aleutians, western Canada, and into the west. Now, during this period, the GFS shows it, but the weeklies, the European weeklies, show it better. Is this the right? Kind of like this. We have our trough here. Here's the ridge near the Aleutians. Here's our two ridges, Western Canada, Eastern Canada. And we have below normal heights here across much of the east. And we also have a trough or upper low between Hawaii and Alaska. So forecasting for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here with anomalies of up to 8 degrees above normal are forecast. Below normal temperatures are forecast here with anomalies of up to 8 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, below normal precipitation, excuse me, is forecast for much of this area here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And we have above normal precipitation for the southeast, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking ahead for the period for April 23rd to 27th. This is, I think, how the pattern will look, and it's also reflected in the other models. We'll go back to the forecast. Somewhat less, they're not as progressive as the European weeklies, but here's our trough, here's our trough here, here's our ridge. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, wrong map, above normal temperatures from the Pacific coast to the plains with anomalies near 8 degrees above normal. Highest anomalies here. Below normal temperatures are forecast for much of the area east of the Mississippi River, with anomalies near 4 degrees. Could be a little higher, closer to 6 degrees in some locations. And I'm calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 13th to 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.